There is a limit to what a woman can take in the name of love, Ogidi. The moment you gave the Oze forest to me, you relinquished every right to that land. Therefore, go home and tell your people that you can no longer bury any more Ukuku on that land.
How can a woman be so greedy? What in the name of the gods are you going to be doing with the whole of Oze forest?
An agreement is an agreement. And when it comes to keeping agreements, I consider it sacrosanct. Disrespect me again, and I will show you that a king can be made and unmade.
Are you threatening me now?
You think you are won? I know. I have won.
You have not won. For the one who can win me has not been conceived. For electing to buy my case and make it yours, you have dug your grave. And I tell you before these grasses and leaves that bear me witness, I shall be merciless when I bury in the land of termites.
That the ant can't sting is because the scorpion is yet to arrive. Your dream is to turn Ogidi into a kingdom where you shall rule as the woman king.
And you decided to stand on my way. What makes you think that you have what it takes to stop a woman like me?
A widow. A widow like you should say. My dream is to become wife to the noble king of that land. And when that happens, I shall assist him with everything he needs to put evil people like you in check. So go ahead, unleash every terror you have, for I am ready for you.
This is Ogidi, a kingdom popularly known for her Ebulu festival. Though women participate through dancing and merrymaking, Ebulu is the festival of men. It is a festival that defines who is the man and who is not. The festival entails that an able-bodied man carries the sacred Ogidi from one end of a decorated street to the other end, dancing. Whoever succeeds in parading the sacred Ogidi stands a chance to become the king. In Ogidi,
My princess, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
My princess. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Gịnị na-ebe ije ọlụ? Ọlaedo m, my jewel of inestimable value.
I humbly bow before the great Ogidi the 17th of Ogidi. I will always be proud of you, Father. You look exceptionally handsome today. Are you attending a festival?
Oh, today we will be completing the final funeral rites for the great Iche Igualo. The elders have already gone to Ose Forest to bury his okuku, and I'll be joining them to his obi later for the final burial rites.
A good man. A man of his words. A straightforward man. Iche Igualo. Indeed, Ogidi has lost a great man, Father.
True.
May his spirits be accepted by our ancestors. May his soul rest in peace.
I have never seen the Nowo behave in such a manner before. Is there something wrong?
I am not in a position to answer that. We are here, and whatever it is that made him to panic like that will definitely be known before the sun sets.
The king is surely the best father any maiden can pray for.
I love my father very much because he is a good man. But what prompted the compliment?
How many fathers will make out time every morning to come see the face of their daughter before leaving the house? Despite the fact he is the king, he does what many men will not even do. I admire your father so much.
Sincerely, my princess, I share the same sentiments. Your father is deeply humbled, and that's why the gods will continue to bless him for us.
What can I say if not easy? And I pray for both of you that the good God of Ogidi will grant you to your heart desires. He said.
Now, Ono, in words that I can understand, tell me exactly what happened. And I beg you in the name of the gods, don't be shocked like this again.
Your Majesty, something terrible happened today in the forest.
Yeah, Okay, when you man and over me, no, not idiot, yeah, me crack up, man, no, or that I need Dick!
What? Blood? What do you mean blood? Hey! Hey! Let us go. Dig here. What is it? Another blood. Blood? Blood again. Hey! 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 We made several efforts to dig other places, but we got the same result. Blood beneath the land of the forest.
So, what finally happened today, Okuko?
That is the confusing thing, Your Majesty. For the very first time in the history of Ogidi, the Okuko of a man already consecrated for final burial was not buried.
Your Majesty, I see confusion. I see danger. And I see death.
Ichekulogaba, what has come over you? Have you now become a seer that you're seeing all these negative things you are reporting?
Your Majesty, one must not have to become a seer to see what is glaring.
What is glaring?
Yes. The sudden death of our former king left us with questions unanswered. For up till now, the gods are silent on what actually happened, why he died. As if that is not enough. The chief priest, based on what happened this morning, has said something that has left us more confused.
That is exactly the point. Your Majesty, with all due respect, how do we explain it? That the Oze forest that we all know right from time has suddenly become the personal property of a woman. I don't understand.
Just imagine that. But seriously, I see a link.
A link?
Yes. I see a link with the Ebuluje Ebuluna festival. That festival, as we all know, warrants that a man of this kingdom, able-bodied man of this kingdom, carries the sacred Ogidi from one end of the street to the other end.
You are right.
And it is on record that for so many years, nobody succeeded in carrying this Ogidi. For those that attempted to carry it, they were killed by the same Ogidi. Yes. But this our current king here succeeded.
What argument are you trying to present here, Iche Kulugaba? What argument?
Ishe Bomboji, had it been you allowed me to land, you would have known where I was coming from, and possibly you would have known where I was going. But you couldn't wait. Our king here succeeded where others failed. There are some key questions we should be asking ourselves. Was there a compromise? Was there a commitment somewhere? Was there an agreement? Was there a price?
Wait a minute. Iche Kulugaba, I want to understand what you are trying to say. Are you trying to accuse our king or something? Are you?
What is your problem? No, why are you attacking me this morning? I am a man that sits in council, and I have the right to say whatever I want to say, how I want to say it. Why are you cutting me?
I am so surprised and shocked at some of our actions. We are facing a dilemma right now. A man's okuku that signals the final passage of his soul into the clan of our ancestors has not been buried. For we have blood gushing out from the ground in the forest where you ought to be buried.
And yet the chief priest said what he just said now that has left us confused. Should we not be arguing like men that suckled on their mother's breast?
Oh, we should.
What is this? Listen, Elders Castle, I may not be 100% right, but I am not totally wrong. I am not. Ugezu, you are the head of this body. And by the gods, you are the one who should be guiding us. Based on what is happening now, Ugezu, is there something you know that you are certain we don't know and that we should know?
That is a good question. Very good question.
The Ezemo is right.
What? Ezemo is right?
Your Highness, you just said something.
I said the Ezemo is right. Wait here. Both of you wait for me here.
Where is the king always going like this? I mean, every Eke market day, he will bring us to the same place and ask us to wait on this same spot.
I've been fighting the urge to unearth this mystery, but today, I am done. I want to follow the king.
Hey, come here. Now you remember this. Remember your oath of loyalty and secrecy to the king. If Igwe Ogadike of Ogidi has asked us to wait here, then we shall wait. And don't forget that disobedience attracts death. Death without burial.
Sorry I'm late. I couldn't risk people asking questions. I know that your place on Ungen is far.
I was beginning to think you would not come.
And miss this. No way, never. Come on.
Let's go inside.
Ogidi the 17th. Congratulations on your coronation. Remember this. Happy is the man with no sickness. Rich is the man with no debts.
I agree with you. And that was why I gave you the whole of Ose Forest.
My king, you and I know that it is not the Ose Forest I desire most. If there is anything I desire more than anything, more than all the lands and forests, even the entire Ogidi kingdom, it is to be your wife. Make me your wife, and I promise You won't regret it.
I'm sorry, Ibubu, but that will not be possible.
My king, do not compare me to the woman of Onungene.
How did you know?
I am Ebubugo of Akama. Did you really think you can hide that from me? Do you think I approached your daughter when you were about to lift the secret Ogidi? I've always dreamt of being your wife. I have always dreamt of becoming the queen of Ogidi. Take back the Oze forest, my king, and give me that which I truly desire.
I'm sorry, but I cannot. Why are you asking for the impossible?
Ogidi, a small debt makes a man your debtor. A large one makes a man your enemy. Would you claim not to know what this means?
That is the truth. I don't know what you mean. You and I already agreed that you should have the whole of Oze forest. And in my honor, I gave it to you. What is this debt you're talking about? Why are you walking out on me without giving me the answers that I seek?
Father, this is not the end of the world. This could actually be good for our kingdom. Imagine a woman as powerful as Ebubugo of Akama becoming queen in Ogidi. Father, this will not only put you one step ahead of your enemy, but you will equally have a goddess as a wife.
Do you know the woman you are asking me to make my wife? She is evil. And they refer to her as a masquerade in Akama.
She is equally beautiful, Father. Well, let's say she's a beautiful masquerade then. Father, please sit down. Father, please sit. Great Father is Ogidi the 17th. You are a great man, and you need a great woman like her. That woman is a woman with a charming aura, an intimidating physique and an alluring presence, Father. Remember, she is reason that you are king.
But I already gave her all she asked for.
And that which you gave her can become a problem for this kingdom tomorrow. We could have reasons for the past visiting us. Father, if you make her your wife, she will let go of that forest. And whatever she becomes will be an internal issue, which of course will not be too difficult to solve. Father, she will make a good wife.
Not for me. Maybe for another man.
Am I not vindicated? Can you open your mouth one more time and talk back at me? Can you?
Does it mean you cannot keep your mouth shut for a minute, Iche Kulugaba? What we are facing here is crisis. A man's Okuku is still lying with us after consecration. You should be thinking of the way forward and not trying to blame anyone.
I wonder. It's okay. Your Majesty, I am so sure you heard what Ichiomembo have just said. Considering the dreadful story you just told us and the dilemma we are facing as a people, I want to ask you now, what do we do?
Ebubugo adadi omimi ọkwa n'ogige egwu na-akpọ Adam ọkwa n'ogige egwu na-akpọ ife ga-emenụ mmadụ eziokwu ịma na-achị ya ma n'isi ya ọ bụrụ na-achị onye dị n'izu ife adị akwakọ ime mmadụ onye aka ya dị ọcha onye aka ya
There is a limit to what a woman can take in the name of love, Ogidi. The moment you gave the Oze forest to me, you relinquished every right to that land. Therefore, go home and tell your people that you can no longer bury any more Ukuku on that land.
How can a woman be so greedy? What in the name of the gods are you going to be doing with the whole of Ose Forest?
An agreement is an agreement. And when it comes to keeping agreements, I consider it sacrosanct. Disrespect me again, and I will show you that a king can be made and unmade.
Are you threatening me now?
I am not threatening you, my king. It is you that threatens me, and I do not like that. Looks to me like you have forgotten how it all started. Have you forgotten how you became king? Perhaps I should refresh your memory. You look like you have time.
No, this is that.
Igwe, greetings, elders in council.
Greetings.
Igwe, there is a man outside
He said he would like to speak to you and the elders.
Let him in.
Yes, my king.
Igwe, may you live long. Men in council, I greet you.
We welcome you, Kadike.
Yes, what do you have to tell us? We are listening.
Thank you, Igwe. May you live long. May your ancestors bless you with great wisdom. My name is Ukadike.
We know you.
The son of Echidime Onwudiwe of Ogidi. I came to declare my intention to carry the sacred Ogidi for the Ebuluje Ebuluna festival.
Are you out of your mind?
Ukadike, the sound of bitter cola when grounded by the teeth is different from its taste. I want to ask you, do you realize the implications of what you are saying?
No, you can't be serious.
Ukadike, is it that you have decided not to learn from the mistakes of others?
I wonder.
Does it mean men of this kingdom have decided to keep making the same mistakes over and over again until it spells doom for you? Ukadike, my son, I am happy with you. I am very, very happy to see that there are still able and brave men like you in Ogidi. This is great. Come forward and kneel down here. Kneel down before me. I bless you today. May the gods of our land, the gods of Ogidi, go with you, assist you, enable you to be able to carry out this great task. It shall be well with you. Go. It shall be well with you.
Igwe, may you live long.
I don't understand, Your Majesty. Does that mean you are in support of this madness? Ogidi has been killing people in this land, and you know it.
Of course.
The life of Ukadike is too precious to be wasted. As men in council, it is our responsibility to save and protect lives, not the other way around.
Now listen. The ways of the gods are not the ways of men.
But Your Majesty...
Enough!
Your Majesty...
Enough!
Your Majesty...
I said enough.
Iruka, are you out of your mind? How can you possibly be excited about this?
I know my name is Odinaka Chuku, but let me tell you the truth. This one is not in the hand of God. You had better wake up from that dream before it consumes you.
Why are you all acting like people who do not believe in self-determination?
Why? Iruka, there is nothing like self-determination here. You better stop your father before it becomes too late.
I am going to make this clear to all of you once and for all. My name is now Princess. Princess Iruka. Not Iruka.
Iruka. Iruka. Iruka. Iruka. A word is enough for the wise. Just a word.
Gods of our land. What does he want from me?
Iruka, that's a fine young man seeking your hand in marriage. What is wrong with you?
Greetings, beautiful maidens of our land.
Greetings.
Iruka, please, may I have a word with you?
Look, whatever it is that you have to say, if it is important to you, I suggest you say it here and now, because I am going nowhere with you. Please, excuse me. Where are you going? Come and meet him. Meet him and talk to him. Talk with him. Where are you people going to?
Ah, that's it?
My love. My love, what do you want me to do? How do I make you understand that I want you in my life for forever? Ifunayam. Pikonu. Please make me the happiest man on earth. Please, be my wife. Eh?
Do not kneel before me. I am not a god. Maybe when I become the princess of Ogidi, then you can bow before me. Secondly, I am not your love. Onwuka, marriage is not by force. Ha!
Mama, look, Iruka has gone mad. Bechono, how did it happen? Look, Mama, I met Lota at the market today. She told me that Mazu Kadike has decided to carry the sacred Ogidi of Ogidi. Yes. You cannot be serious. You cannot be serious. Mama, I'm serious. I'm dead serious. Look, Mama, the man wants the king and the elders in council to organize Ebuluje Ebununa festival for him. And Iruka, who knows the danger involved, is blindly and strangely supporting her father.
Finish up the cooking for me, I'll be back. Where is your brother?
I'm trying hard to understand why you are looking at me as a stranger you've never met before.
Father, I am not looking at you as a stranger. Rather, I am admiring you for the great man that you are. I humbly bow myself before you, my king.
Oh, come on, Iroka. I'm not even king yet and you're already referring to me as king.
You know, a few weeks ago, I had a dream. In that dream, Ogidi the 16th died. Just a few days ago, I had another dream where you were made king. So you see, when you told me about your intentions to parade the sacred Ogidi at the Ebuluje Ebuluna festival, I knew it was nothing but the will of the gods.
Iruka, you are bringing a lot of interpretations into this.
Father, with the conviction in my spirit, I know that the king will die and a new king will emerge. You are that new king.
What? Are you sure of what you are saying? Nora, I am very sure of what I'm saying. No. Okadike is too good to be lost. No. Oh, exactly why I came to you as the leader of the women of Ogidi. Okadike is a man we know that loves to help the women. And men like him are very scarce. This same Ogidi has killed all the precious ambitious men that attempted to lift it. Nora, if we allow Okadike to explore his exuberance, I am scared we might end up losing him. Nora, and you know what that means. Losing Okadike means that the women of Ogidi have lost their voice.
I know exactly what you are saying. We have to handle this. Yes! We have to handle this before we end up mourning another noble man of this land. Nora, we have to.
Dear Adam. None. You're welcome. What brings you to my house this early morning? Please, sit. Let me bring cola for you.
No, my son. Don't bother yourself. Why are you in a hurry to get home quick and prepare breakfast for our family?
So, to what do I owe this visit?
My son, you remember how you helped my husband to recover his piece of land?
Your Majesty, I am pleading for just few more days to enable me pay him back the money.
Your Majesty, the period I gave him to pay back the money has already expired. So I have to keep the land.
Greetings, Your Highness. Men in castle, I greet you. Here's your money. Take. Take all of it. Uncle.
How did you?
Uncle, don't bother yourself. What matters is that he has his money and you have your land. That's all.
Thank you, Kadege.
Now he has given you our money, right?
Yes.
Good. So now you are going to relinquish that very land to Uzodema immediately.
Of course.
Yes.
Your Majesty, I planted some things on the land.
How can you plant on the land that does not belong to you?
Is that your business? Did I borrow you money?
It is not my business if you plant anything on the land or not.
Of course.
You're a wicked person.
Me?
You lack human sympathy. And you are to be paid back in your own coin.
It's okay.
It's alright.
It's okay.
You have your money. So whatever is it you planted on the land no longer belong to you.
It's mine. I'm the one that planted it.
King, do you have something to say?
That is not the way to go. Let us tow the path of peace. He has already planted something. Allow him have the harvest of what he has planted.
Yes.
The next year the land will revert to us.
Okadike, do you know what this man did to me? He's such a wicked person that does not deserve to be pitied.
Uzodema,
Your Majesty,
yes, I would like you to listen. You heard very well what your able brother's son Okadike said.
Yes, Your Majesty.
That he would like us to tow the path of peace.
Yes.
Please, I would like you to eschew every pain, every bitterness that you have against him. Let us just allow him harvest whatever he has on the land. That land will be reverted to you by next year. I promise you. Yes.
After all, it is he.
Your Majesty, as you please.
Thank you very much.
And again, listen, Uzodema. It is he that fetched an ant-infested firewood that invited the lizards for a feast.
Oh no, what up good in now to her? I want you to walk in one.
I thought I don't marry.
Oh, you are very, very good.
Your Majesty. As you please, Your Majesty.
Men like you are very scarce. You are indeed sent by the gods. And that is why we decided to come here when we heard that you have the intention of carrying the sacred Ogidi. Please, my son, Umoba Ogidi cannot afford to lose a nobleman like you.
The people of Umoba Ogidi already see you as a hero. I also see you as a hero. Have you forgotten how you saved my life?
Help me! Help me! Help!
What is it?
My leg, snake!
Just hang on.
You saved my life. Please, have a rethink. This journey you are about to embark on is one of no return.
I humble myself in greetings, Nai.
Masinachi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What brings you to my house this early morning? I hope all is well.
Yes, Nai. My father sent me. He said I should tell you to please come immediately.
Hope everything is alright.
He said it's an urgent meeting with select men in council.
Very well then. Tell him I will be with him as soon as I can.
Okay, Nai.
Alright. Well, I have heard both of you. But I want you to bear one thing in mind. That all our lives are in the hands of Chukwokika Biama. And only him knows what to do with our lives. Only him can decide. Once again, I will give a thought to what you have said.
We're holding on to that as a promise. Please think about it. We take our leave. The man with the heart of the gods.
I'm hearing this for the first time. The man with the heart of the gods. Is everything alright?
Everything was alright. Before one of the living legends of Ogidi decided to gamble with his life. I know you may not remember me, but my name is Ifeoma, the woman you helped locate her missing child. Please, do have a rethink. We love you and wouldn't want to lose you. Please, Nai.
This is going to be a very long day. I received a message inviting me to this meeting with select men in council. That is why I'm here. I would plead with you to please go straight to the point, because as you all know, I am a very busy man.
We called you here today regarding your interest to carry the Ogidi for the festival. A man of your caliber does not need to do extraordinary things before he's regarded as a hero. Ogadike, you are already more than a hero. You are a living legend. We respect you a lot.
Well, I'm glad that you acknowledge the fact that carrying the sacred Ogidi is indeed an exceptional thing to do.
Ukadike, it is only the stubborn fly that follows the corpse into the grave. Insisting on carrying the sacred Ogidi will only destroy you. Many men have died because they volunteered to parade the street of Ogidi with the sacred mask. Why do you want to include your name on that list?
That is the problem. I wonder. Listen, Okadike. We called you here because we want you to wake up from this dream of yours before it becomes a journey to the land of our ancestors. Remember your beautiful daughter, who still looks up to you for protection. She needs you alive. A man like you that has a family to protect should not expose himself to unnecessary risk. That is the point. Exactly. And we want you to ponder on those words.
As you know, my status will soon change. I, Iruka, will become the princess of a thriving kingdom. I came to buy beads from you. because I was told that you sell the best.
This is what I have. They are royal beads.
The royal beads. But I will need something made specially for me. Something that will make me look very beautiful and elegant. Something that is not common among the maidens of Ogidi.
Maybe you will come back in next 4 days. I will get them today.
I don't mind. I don't mind. I'll come back. That's fine.
If my daughter is the reason I am getting all this discouragement, I plead with us to bless me for this mission. Because my daughter cannot wait to be addressed as the princess of Ogidi.
Ukadike, in as much as we all agree that your daughter Iruka has grown into a woman, don't forget that she is still a child. Don't be deceived by her ecstasy. You are her father and you have a duty to guide her on the right path to take in life.
Well then, I will have you all know that nothing will stop me from carrying the sacred Ogidi for the festival, except the thunderstorm does not come. Because once that thunderstorm comes, I will have no option but to follow my heart. That is what I will do.
We all honor heroes for different reasons. Sometimes for their bravery and sometimes for their goodness. But mostly, we honor heroes because at one point, we all dreamt of being rescued.
Iruka, why have you refused to listen to good reason? Quit being stubborn now and stop your father before you regret it. I'm talking to you and you're ignoring me.
Masinachi, I am not ignoring you. I am just sick and tired of the same thing being drummed into my ears as though I have gone deaf. You have already made your point and I've heard you.
What has come over you, Iruka? What has come over you? Why are you reluctant to listen to anyone? What is it?
Masinaji, would you mind me going back to what I was doing? Because I was busy.
Are you asking me to leave your house? Are you?
You may leave when you decide.
Mothers of Ogidi, we are mere mortals. We have no power to alter nature in any way.
Great one. That is why we brought this sacrifice to appease the girls, so that they will understand how much we need them to hold back the thunderstorm this year. We did not want it, and we are ready to do anything. I mean anything to prevent it.
Mothers of Ogidi, sacrifice or no sacrifice. If Chukwokike, the all-knowing God, decides to send us a thunderstorm this year, there's nothing we can do to stop him. Go home and continue to trust in Chukwokike, for we are nothing but tools in the hands of the Creator.
Zomaka, the great women leader. I humble myself to you in greeting. Please sit down, let me go get my father.
No, not at all. Don't bother waking up your father. It is you that I've come to see.
It is me that you have come to see?
Yes, my daughter.
I hope all is well.
All is well, but not entirely well. Please sit down. My daughter, do you know the reason everyone is against your father's intention to carry the sacred Ogidi?
Nora, to tell you the truth, I have been at a loss.
Have you ever asked yourself why he doesn't have competitors?
I guess because he is the bravest of them all.
You might be right. But that is for a reason. My daughter, I know you will not remember all this, because it happened a long time ago when you were still a baby. It all started 21 years ago during the period of Ebuluje Ebuluna festival. A noble man of this kingdom, just like your father, decided to carry the sacred Ogidi. We all supported him, knowing he was fit to succeed the king. We all waited for him on that day to emerge with the sacred Ogidi from the abode of the masquerade. He never did. He was struck dead by the sacred Ogidi. Up till today, the gods have been silent.
Gods of our land. He died just like that?
Yes, my daughter. And when we decided to put that behind us, 7 years after, it happened again. This time, to the king's younger brother. He actually emerged with the sacred Ogidi from the abode of the masquerade. He was electrocuted by the same sacred Ogidi, right in front of the people of Ogidi kingdom. And just like before, no diviner, within or outside the kingdom, could tell us what happened or give us a solution to all this. All we kept hearing was that the gods are silent.
Nora, when did all these things happen? Where did it happen? Why did anyone not tell me about this all the while?
Yes, my daughter. I was an eyewitness. You never heard about this because the people of Ogidi decided to put all these events behind them. Your father, Ogidi, is a good man, a hero, a living legend, and we want him alive.
Woman of our land, are you all right?
I started feeling a little bit feverish this morning. When I decided to make some soup for myself, when I remembered I sent my daughter to see my mother in the village. I had no choice but to get the water myself to prepare the soup.
Oh, it's all right now. There are certain things that must not happen in this island. This is one of them.
Hey.
It's okay. You can go home, mother.
Thank you so much.
I will ensure there is enough water for you to cook in your house before midday.
Oh, thank you so much. May the gods of our land bless you.
See.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. May the gods of our land bless you, my son. My son, are you not tired? My son, you said you will arrange for those that will do it. But you have been doing it since. You have made 5 trips already, ever since I started making this meal. All for my sake. My son, I have enough water already.
Mama, it's nothing. All the young men I had in mind disappointed me when I told them that no one would pay for their services. So I decided to do it myself. It's not a problem.
Hey, my son. Chukwu Okike. Obinigwe. May he bless you abundantly.
See.
Thank you so much, my son.
See.
Thank you so much.
Mama, let me go and get some more.
All through my illness, before my daughter came back, it was your father that took good care of me. Like I said, your father, Mazi Ukadike, is a good man. They all could not help me because they knew they would not make money out of it. Let them volunteer to carry the sacred Ogidi and die, not your father.
Nora, thank you. Thank you very much. There comes the best father in the whole world. You're welcome, Father.
Thank you.
I know you must be very tired, so let me go get you a cup of water to drink.
Why should I be tired? I just left here a few minutes ago to check my trap.
Oh yes, and that must have been a very tedious task for you, Father. Sit down, I prepared your favorite meal. Please sit. Let me get you something.
Iruka.
Father?
Enough of this strange behavior. What do you want? I know it's money as usual, but please tell me what I can afford, and it will be all yours. So the enemies of progress have finally gotten to you, my daughter. You of all people who is supposed to stand beside me till the end. How have you allowed them brainwash you like this?
Father, I was not brainwashed. I just don't want to lose you.
Well, listen to me and listen clearly. There is nothing that will stop me except the absence of a thunderstorm. Aside that, not even you, my daughter, will stop me.
God the Creator, what must I do to stop him? Osakwe. Of course, Osakwe.
my child, your life is about to take a different dimension.
Who are you and what do you mean?
Very soon, your father will make a pronouncement that will shatter the foundations of Ogidi. I am Osakwe, the seer of our Boyfite. I was moved in my spirit to come to you. A woman will suddenly dare the masquerade of Ogidi. And when that happens, Okemwa may be unleashed to recover what she stole. When your father makes that declaration, the masquerade will be set against the woman. You will remember me and most likely pay me a visit.
Osako, you were right. He has made the pronouncement. And I remember you. Ogidi is shaking. I'm excited I remembered you.
In the ancient kingdom of Ogidi, the Ebulu festival holds every 7 years, specifically for 4 days. After the first rain of the 7th year that comes with a thunderstorm. If it fails to rain throughout the year, then there will be no festival. The Ebulu festival is attached to the thunderstorm for reasons I can't even explain.
Really? Even you, the almighty Osakwe of Aboifite, you cannot answer to that?
It is a question left for the gods to answer. It has happened before. 21 years passed without the festival because there was no thunderstorm.
Is that possible? I mean, how is it even possible? Okay, ask the gods to hold it this time for 50 years. I am willing to sacrifice anything. Anything.
I wish it were possible, my daughter. But what you ask is beyond human capacity.
What is it with this sacred Ogidi? Must it be part of the festival?
Yes. The festival demands that an able-bodied man carries the sacred Ogidi from one end of a street to the other, accompanied by a very loud music. At that moment, people see him as a god, because those who touch him feel very blessed. The street is decorated in such a way that his legs are not allowed to touch the ground.
And what does all this have to do with succeeding the king?
In Ogidi, when kings are elected, it is only those who at one point or the other in their lives carried the sacred Ogidi that are considered.
And if the king has an heir?
Then the heir must carry the sacred Ogidi to be fully qualified. Listen, my daughter. The sacred Ogidi is a summation of all ancient powers. It is the image of our original ancestor. I tell you, no one has an edge over it. Therefore, no seer can claim to have the ability to see anything concerning it. If indeed you want to stop your father from parading the sacred Ogidi, then you must do it physically, because no seer can be of help to you.
My name is Ebubugo of Akama. I am certain you have heard about me.
The great woman of Akama. The one whose elegance makes nonsense of the beauty of the mermaid. I know a lot about you. To what do I owe this visit?
If he touches the sacred Ogidi, your father, Mazu Kadike, will die. Just like the others.
Gods of our land. What do I do? I don't want my father to die. Please help me.
He will succeed on one condition.
What is the condition? Tell me. Is it a sacrifice? I will gladly give anything. I do not want my father to die.
An evil widow in Umuoba Ogidi is responsible for the death of the men that attempted to lift the sacred Ogidi in the past. She is the reason Umuoba Ogidi lost a noble man 21 years ago and another 14 years ago. She extinguishes the light in them using the darkness in her. Unfortunately, your father is no exception.
I don't know what you're talking about.
She lures them with her womanhood. When they taste it, they are defiled. Your father have tasted her womanhood.
Who is this widow?
Go home. Bring your father to my fort. There, I shall tell you what to do.
All the way to Aboifite. Iruka, you had to carry my name all the way to Aboifite. Ha! Aboifite. Now, not only does everyone know who I am, but they also know that I intend carrying the sacred Ogidi for the Ebulije Buluna festival. Listen, Iruka, I can understand your sudden change of mind about that. But what I will not condone is your castigating my name all over the place. Oh, gods of our land, help me.
Who is she?
Who is who?
The woman you are using to forget my mother's memory. Who is she?
I beg your pardon.
Don't even think about that, because you are not the only one who is furious here. On my way back from Aboifite, Ebubugo of Akama, you remember her? She paid me a very revealing visit. She told me that the witch killed the last 2 men who attempted to carry the Ogidi by contaminating them. She also said that she has done same to you. She said that you will die if you do not purify yourself.
This is becoming rather confusing to me. What must I do?
We must prepare to meet with the great woman of Akama. That is what we must do.
Iroka, what are you still doing? Let's go.
I'm coming, Father. Father, let's go.
I'm not going.
You are not what?
I said I'm.
Who is this woman? Who is she?
I said I am not going. Can't you see I have a very important visitor?
Father, what do you mean by you are not going? You kept me awake all night preparing for this journey, and you changed your mind just like that? What? Father! He's really going inside. Okay, fine. If you will not go with me to Akama, I will go alone.
The woman you saw today is the evil widow that I told you about. She's doing all she's doing because she wants to end the sacred ritual of Ogidi. As I speak to you now, she has defiled your father again. Warn him. Warn him not to go near the sacred Ogidi with his level of defilement. If he does, Ogidi will set him ablaze.
What can I do?
I already told you. That woman obstructed the Ebuluje Ebuluna festival twice now by defiling the men that were determined to lift the Ogidi. Ogidi killed them, and the festival ended in a chaos. She's about to do it again. If she succeeds with your father, it will be the third time. And if alone ito, Otto?
What does that mean?
If she succeeds and the festival is cancelled for the third time, the spirit of Ogidi will depart from the abode of the masquerade, and the land will become vulnerable. And then she will seize the opportunity and assume power as the woman king. You have a duty to stop that.
Agule ebubugo adadima onye bulebu nakama imana onye bulebu ebusigo onye bulebu imana obusigo onye bulebu no busigo oke egwu anyị na-agụla ebubugo adadima Adadima nakama onye bulebu n'obusigo Adam onye bulebu ima n'obusigo Anyị na-eke adakada ebubugo Eze nwanyị nakama Ọkwa gị ka obodo niile na-echenu Ịma na onye bulebu n'obusigo Ansi na onye bulebu n'obusigo
Where is she? Where is that witch? Ajadu! Where is she? Ancient Akuna! Come! Where is she, Father?
Are you alright, Iruka? Who are you calling all these disgusting names?
Father, don't pretend to me as though nothing happened in my absence between you and that woman.
Will you shut your mouth? Do you realize I'm your father and I deserve all the respect from you?
That woman has contaminated you again, Father. And if you do not get purified soon, that sacred Ogidi will set you ablaze.
What do you mean by that?
She came earlier to prevent you from traveling with me to Akama. Yes, and in my absence, she lured you into the woman in her. That deadly widow has contaminated you again, Father. And if you go close to that sacred Ogidi, it will set you ablaze. This is the truth.
Where is that coming from?
Father, she has been the one killing all the men that have died while parading the sacred Ogidi. She wants to become the woman king in Umoba Ogidi, Father. She has killed 2 already, and she's planning to make you the 3rd. Father, that woman, she is evil. She is evil, Father. You have to keep away from her, Father.
Thank you for being with me throughout this my journey to the throne. I want you to know that the 3rd sacrifice is ready and will soon come to you. Just like the others, I will soon be bringing a 3rd man who is qualified to be king in Umoba Ogidi. I know it's the last sacrifice that is required of me to get to the throne. Once I succeed with that, may the spirit of Ogidi depart from the land, so that it will be easy for me to become the woman king.
Beautiful maidens of Umoba Ogidi, I greet you all. I know that a lot of chaos has been happening in this kingdom, some of which have been caused by my father. I also know that some of you, if not all, think that I'm crazy for supporting him.
Iruka, yes, you are.
Well, I know that the reason behind this is because 2 of our most trusted men died for this curse. But my sisters, I want you all to know that for the first time in many years, the oracle have finally spoken and a solution has been provided.
But why are these men dying?
It's been revealed that it is an old wicked widow that have been killing them.
And what, if I may ask, is her motive?
She intends to banish the spirit of Ogidi from our land and then turn this beautiful kingdom into a queendom.
Hey. If at all what you are saying is true, then how do we stop this widow?
My sisters, that is the reason why I called for this meeting.
I cannot stop her alone. If we must reclaim our land, then we have to stick together. For knitted we stand, divided we fall.
I'm out of here.
It seems your desire to become the princess of Ogidi has taken over your mind to the extent that you can no longer differentiate between reality and fantasy. You really expect us to believe this your fairy tale?
The gods bear me witness that I speak nothing but the truth.
Iruka, you really must have your head examined. I'm out of here.
Iruka, frankly speaking, I do not know how we're going to stop this. But we are friends, and friends stick together. I stand by you.
God, I stand by you, Iruka. Iruka, if you say an evil woman that is behind all these problems, then by the gods, we will take her out.
Exactly.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, my friends. This journey we are about to embark on is not going to be an easy one. But by the gods, we will succeed.
Yes.
So right now and here, if you want out, please go. It is not compulsory. Can we go?
I've changed my mind. I don't want to go again.
What do you mean by you have changed your mind and don't want to go again? Listen to me now. You are going with me to see Ebubeugo because I am ready for this witch today. I am so ready for you.
Your father is the only man I have ever truly loved. With all my heart and soul. My spirit lives in your compound. Always. Next time the evil woman visits your compound, gather some progressive maidens in your land. Have them pack a handful of sand. Let them stretch their hands towards her. Slowly let the sands escape from your fists. Brief the maidens to do this with every sense of dedication. Stand back and watch me handle her.
Maidens! Maidens! No! I refuse to accept it. It is impossible. Never! 3 noble men. I have taken 2. It remaining 1. And nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me. He has to go. He has to go so that the festival will be cancelled.
We must not allow them parade the sacred Ogidi again. That spirit has to be banished from this land forever. Without the sacred Ogidi, men of Umobo Ogidi will be powerless against me. I am one more step to the throne. And I must have it. I must have it. Whatever it takes. Adanji must have it.
My sisters, that story still sounds like a fairy tale to me.
I still can't believe a widow can be this evil and power hungry.
And to think we doubted Iruka. We made her look like a fool. We did not believe her. My sister, is what we're hearing true?
Yes, it is. It is so true. In fact, you need to have been at Iruka's house yesterday. It was a showdown.
Hey! We've changed our minds. How do we help to stop this woman?
I just hope Iruka can forgive us. My sister, those that refuse to agree will finally agree. And when they eventually agree, they will agree even more than those that have agreed from the beginning. That proverb defines us. We have agreed and we are ready.
Iruka, please wait now.
Don't touch me. Don't.
My love. See, I understand you're going through a lot right now. But I just want you to know that I am here for you. Okay, anything. Just mention it. Anything. I will do anything.
Nice try. But I am not interested. Thanks.
Wow. I'm thinking you are over her.
Ma, listen. You are her best friend. And I know she will listen to you. Please just help me out on this one, I beg you.
Do you realize she never listened to me when I asked her to stop her father from carrying the Ogidi?
I know all that. I do. But you see, you maidens, you have ways of listening to yourselves when it concerns men.
Okay, fine. I will talk to her. But I'm not promising anything.
Okay, thank you so much. See why I say you're the best sister in the world. Come here. Oh. Okay, so...
Okay.
I mean...
let me check what is in the fire.
Okay,
Just help me
let me help you out.
I have said it over and over again. I am not interested. Gods of our land, why is everyone talking about him today?
Iruka, listen to me. You will never know the treasured value of what you have until you lose it.
Exactly.
See, he is tall, handsome, and responsible. Every woman's dream. What else do you want in a man? What exactly do you want in a man?
Look, Iruka, I'm not saying this because he's my brother. But trust me, he loves you. He can sacrifice anything just to be with you.
You see what I mean? I am different from others. What moves other people does not as little as entice me. Let him leave me alone. He can go ahead and make sacrifices to all the deities. He should leave me alone. I am not a deity.
Come on, Iruka. Stop twisting what I said. I am not saying you're a deity. All I'm saying is that Oruka loves you. He can do anything. He loves you.
I am not interested. Look, let me make this clear once and for all. We are different maidens with different faces and different individual rights. Okay? Can we go already?
See, I understand you're going through a lot right now. But I just want you to know that I am here for you. Okay, anything. Just mention it. Anything. I will do anything.
Nice try. But I am not interested. Thanks.
Why can't I just have her? She's pulling back because she doesn't love you. Forget about her and settle for another.
Never! Iruka is mine. It's either I marry her or I remain single. Now listen to me, you lousy thought in my head. Stop talking to me, okay? Stop talking, because I am not listening to you. I am not listening to you.
Let her go. Listen, when one door closes, another opens. Onka, you will find someone better.
As usual, she did not listen to me. I believe there is something else involved in this. Just let her be.
I was just battling with thoughts in my mind before you came in. See, everything is pushing me towards leaving this maiden, but I won't stop. Yes, it may delay for long, but you see that maiden, I will definitely get married to her.
You will survive. Only on the condition that you do not sleep with that woman again.
I know. But whenever she's around, I don't seem to be able to get myself. She has this captivating presence that once I set my eyes on her, I lose my mind.
I'll tell you what to do to overpower her. The problem is knowing how stubborn you can be. Will you be willing to do it?
Listen to me, Ibubugo. I have made up my mind to lift the sacred Ogidi of Umobo Ogidi. I'm willing to do anything to make that mission a success. Just tell me what I must do, and then consider it done.
Very well then. You must locate the graveside of Adanji's late husband, holding Agbala leaves. He was not buried in his compound.
Did you just say Agbala leaves? Have you forgotten how dangerous it is to hold those leaves with your bare hands?
I will give you an ointment to prevent that and whatever effect it may have on you. When you locate his graveside, tell the husband that it was his widow that lured you into bed. Apologize and promise never to do that again. When you're done, drop the leaves on his grave and walk away.
Is that all?
It's simple, isn't it? I'll tell you this. When eating the fruit, remember the one that planted the tree. When you succeed, you will either make me your wife or you give me the Oze forest.
But the Oze forest is where we bury the Okuku of great men of our land who die.
Very well then. If you value the Oze forest so dearly, hold on to it and marry me instead. I'll tell you this, Okadike. Any man that has me has everything. Be that man, Okadike. I love you. I love you. I love you from the deepest part of my heart.
I heard you, great one. But please, give me some time to decide.
You have all the time you need, my noble friend. I was not expecting an instant answer. Go home. Go home and think about it.
I know Adanji, and all my life I've been trying to avoid her.
Why are you avoiding her?
Because she is evil.
Really?
Yes.
Why would you say she is evil?
I said she is evil because indeed she is very evil. I advise you stay away from her.
Okosisi, we are not looking for Adanji as a person. We're actually trying to locate the grave of our late husband. We heard that he was buried outside his compound. Can you help us locate the spot?
Look at the spot of the grave of a man that died more than 20 years ago. Why am I having this feeling that father and daughter wants to lure me into something very deep and weird?
You've already told us that the woman is evil, and I want to believe that you know what you're saying. Because a man like you will not easily conclude on someone to be evil if truly the person is not.
Yes. And that is why I've been trying to avoid her. I've been trying to avoid her and whatever that connects to her. The grave of her husband seems to be very important to her. I have seen her stand on that grave many times.
The more reason you should take us there.
Yeah.
That grave has something to offer towards cutting off her evil nature. That woman is demonic. And if you show us that grave, you'll be doing this land a noble thing. I know I am not worthy to be here, but I have come here to ask for your forgiveness. I did not defile your wife intentionally. She lured me. spared my life, and I promise I will never touch her again. We have been informed that your wife comes here to perform a ritual once in a while. I'm sorry to tell you this, but the activities of your widow in Ogidi is not good for the land. I see you as a great man of this land who has already joined our ancestors. I ask you to rise in your might and defend this land against the activities of your widow, which is not good for this land.
Where did that come from? Any power that could do this is surely from the deep. What could it be?
I am not going to ask if it was successful, for I witnessed the thunder and lightning myself. Can you tell me what this is all about?
Okosisi, you have done your own part by showing us the grave. Thank you very much. And I'm glad that you also witnessed that we only prayed on the grave of a very great man. Give the rest. In due season, you will see the result.
Has this got to do with your desire to parade the sacred Ogidi?
This has got nothing to do with anything. You demanded that we paid you before you showed us the grave. We paid you.
And you prayed and thunder and lightning came. I am convinced that something big is coming. I want to be part of that big thing.
I want to be part of the
I want to be part of that big thing. They said something to you, and when they dropped these leaves, thunder and lightning came. I was looking at them at that age. I have come to the conclusion that you have blessed them. My name is Okosisi Mbemene. I am a man of Ogidi that has suffered in this land. I have come to beg you, please, whatever blessing that you gave them that forced out thunder and lightning should equally come to me.
The problem I have with you is that you allow Iruka to possess so badly. If not, tell me what she can offer. that another meaning cannot offer even better.
Listen, my interest has got nothing to do with what anyone can offer. I'm talking about internal conviction here. See, that maiden is for me. Okay, she's made for me. Okay, and I am internally convinced about that.
Can you tell me about this internal conviction?
Here she comes. The very sun that shines in Ogidi. My past, my present, and my beautiful future. From the deepest part of my heart, I say welcome.
Thank you very much for those excellent accolades. But honestly, I am not here for those. Can I have a word with you, please?
What else must I do to have her? Why is she resisting me as if she doesn't believe I am man enough?
Are you serious of what you're saying?
I mean every word of it. And no matter what, you are one credible friend of mine that I can trust with this. The rain with the thunderstorm will soon come. My father is so ready to parade the sacred Ogidi. I need your support in this.
Iruka, have you bothered to ask yourself what will become of you if you allow your father to do this and he dies in the process?
And did you hear me when I explained to you that the woman who is behind the killing of all the men has been handled by my father and I? Please disappoint me and rise above others.
Okay, fine. Let's say I'm ready to assist you kill your father. What do you want me to do?
First of all, you are not assisting me to kill my father because my father will not die. If you are ready to assist me as a friend, then I shall intimate you on what we will do.
Of a man on my husband's grave? Who is this man? What is going on here? I presume someone may have told you that Adanji is one scarlet woman that derives pleasure in admitting men into her home. And you possibly came to try your luck. Can you deny this?
That is not true. That is never my reason of coming here.
And you will also deny that if I ask you to come in and have a feel of me, that you will refuse?
Let us not go into that, please. I am here for something deeper than the temporal pleasure men derive from women. By all standards, you are mightier than me, and I cannot see myself rising to have a taste of your womanhood. But no.
Why are you here?
I have seen you countless times
going to perform a ritual on the grave of your husband. And something tells me that you have a good reason for doing that. Maybe something that has to do with wealth. Listen. I have suffered. Look at me. You talk about Nade. Fat, I want to be your first follower. Teach me what you do, and I promise here and now that I will never open up to anyone.
How many people have you discussed this nonsense with?
Anmapuala. I have never discussed it with anyone. See, what you do on that grave is something you valued with your life, and it would be wrong for someone to call it nonsense. I am ready to be your first follower. Very ready.
What I know now is that you're very pathetic. Leave my compound this minute and don't ever come back. Get out! This is unbelievable. So this fool finally decided to come here on his own. What exactly did he do that killed him here? Has come for me to finally seal that which I started. The fool that went to my husband's grave to uproot what he did not plant has paid the ultimate price, and I've buried him. And I believe that I've buried all my sorrows. Let all the market days and ancient authorities bear me witness that I've paid my dues and deserve to emerge the woman king that will rise in Ogidi. He say on Unko market day. He say on Afo market day. He say on Ode market day. He say on Eke market day.
It's a new dawn in Ogidi. Praise be the gods. The making of a new king.
Ebubu ga-amaka oke mmanwụ n'aka ama. Egwu ebubu go onye ọma. Egwu ebubu go onye ọma. Ebubu go onye ọma. Onye nenanya na mmanwụ anyị na-agba n'ilo. Ebubu ga-amaka oke mmanwụ n'aka ama. Ifunu oke mmanwụ na-agba n'ilo. Ifulu n'oke mmanwụ na-agba n'ilo. Ị ga-adị ka echi maka na echi adị agwụ agwụ. Adaugo onye dị mma ebubu ugo n'aka ama. Adam onye dị mma onye ọma. Adam onye dị mma onye ọma. Onye
The thunderstorm that signals the Ebulu festival of Ogidi came the preceding night. And as expected, everyone in the land is looking up to Okadike, the one who already indicated interest in parading the ancient effigy. Will he finally disappoint the people?
That the thunderstorm came does not mean you must take your life. You can still pull out and leave. I am not that kind of man that starts what he cannot finish. I am ready for this festival. If I die, I die.
I humble myself before Ichie Okulugaba, one of the leaders of Ogidi, a man that I love so much, my husband. You will live long.
Ego Ibo, can you please go straight to the point? I know you. Once you start to praise me in the morning like this, I know something is eating you up. Can you tell me what that is?
It's about the thunderstorm that we witnessed last night.
What about the thunderstorm?
You know what that means. A good man of this land is going to die. And as the man who has stopped major crises in the past, my husband, are you not going to stop him?
Ego, but now you listen to me. There is always the extent you will push a man, and you will be forced to leave him be the man of his life. Okadike is a man. What have we not done already? He knows what he wants to do. And I'm pleading with you to let him be. It is his life. Let him live it.
In a land where men rule as king, it is the duty of a woman to guide the man to do the right thing.
My lady, I belong to the school of thought that believes that men do not deserve to be left to function at their own discretion. Eh?
What is your argument?
My argument is that men do not always deserve to be lured. Sometimes it pays to force them into doing the right thing. That is my own argument too.
Now listen to me. 4 of you. It is my duty to guide you. Do not attempt to force a man into doing anything. If you try it, he might succeed at first, but eventually it will backfire. Allow the man carry on with his ego. You get the best from a man simply by being the woman. Start to be a man to a man, you will lose him and his interest forever.
This is surely a holy day
when we learn something new. Thank you, Mother.
I was thinking you would ask my lady why she halted the glorious dance for the Virgin Queen of Akama and is teaching us something very, very instructive.
The evil woman of Ogidi is positioning herself to take power from the men. She will rage like a consuming fire in that land. But her fire will not burn the people under my protection.
Is there something you want us to do to assist in this process, my lady?
Play me the music. The glorious dance of day is still on.
Abolo na chadi nizu Dia kwako ime mmadu Onye aka ya dị ọcha O nwere ife mmadu ga-eme onye afụ Abolo na chadi nizu Imanife adị ya kwako ime mmadu Ife na-agụ onye nọ na-agụ chi ya Ife na-agụ onye nọ na-agụ chi ya Ebubu go n'aka ma Eze nwanyị nke dị omimi Egwu anyị na-agụrụ ada ka ada n'aka ma Eze nwanyị n'aka ma Ada ndị nwanyị na-achị eze Ibe n'igwe anyị Ibe Ada ndị nwanyị na-achị eze Ibe ala na mma
Dikem Odogwu na-abụ Okolobi oyibo of Ogidi Eze kwesịrị onye nke m. How was your night?
What are you doing here?
You know what? Hey, onye nke m. Did you wake up from the wrong side of the bed?
My advice to you is to leave my compound now before I lose the control that is left in me.
I can see you're playing hard to get. Dikem, what have you been doing at my back? Have you been associating with people that could destroy you?
A man who is destined to rule as king must rise to the point of knowing who his real enemies are. Get out of my compound now before I chop off your head with a cutlass.
Odogunambo, cast your mind back. Remember all those wonderful moments we had spent together. Can you still chop off my head? Leave my house. What has come over you?
Leave my house.
What? Leave him. Leave my house. What has come over you?
cheze Ibialo na mma Kibialo na njo Adanji wani na cheze Ibeli wanyo Ibeli zanyo
Peace be unto this household.
Greetings, mothers of Ogidi.
Greetings to you, Kadike.
I never knew you were to accompany me to the den of the masquerade.
We will. But first, we have come to appeal to your sense of safety one more time. Biko, what can we do? What can we do to stop you? What can we do to change your mind?
Reverse the thunderstorm. Well, I guess the thunderstorm cannot be reversed. What that means is that I'm continuing with my dream.
Hey, there are things you just cannot say. You are very important to us in this land. The dream you want to continue will kill you.
And I'm insisting on continuing with that dream. Please, Uncle, let us not discuss this anymore. As you can see, I'm already dressed for the occasion. And the music that I hired is already in the abode of the masquerade, warming the air.
If you finally meet up with your death today, please tell our ancestors that we begged you to stop. We prevented you from dying today, but you refused.
Yes.
And in my honor, I promise you that I will do that. If it happens the way you said, I will definitely inform the ancestors accordingly. But if not, I plead with you to come back and celebrate with me. Ebulija Ebuluna, we say.
Iruka, do you know there is every possibility of you losing your father today if you don't stop him?
Lotana, I think it's already too late. Iruka here has made up her mind, and all we owe her now is our support.
Masinachi, did you just say that?
I did, and I mean every word that I say. I've even gone to the priest of Ogidi to ask him to pray for my friend's father.
You did? Are you serious?
Why shouldn't I? When you've already drummed it into my head that your life depends on it.
Iruka, I am not moved by all these things. But let me tell you, if anything happens to your father today, be ready to take responsibility for his death.
Fine.
I have not finished yet. If it ever happens, don't come and shed crocodile tears.
Lotana, agreed. No problem. But you also have to promise me something. You have to promise me that if my father succeeds today, you will come and celebrate with me.
Akangari keme kene gi no kudi mnanu no kudi mmanwu n'ọnụ gbagbuo ya gbagbuo mana bụ na ga-eji agwekwe ịgba n'oge egwu nke fọrọ n'ọnụ ọkwa nne dịga na-aba ntị ka na-aba ji o imiadị ozizi imiadị mgbakọ ọgaranya je chi eze naanị ikpe ego ọganga mma ma dị ike degete n'ije ọgaranya na-eje na-adị ya n'ọkwụ na na-echi ọgaranya echi omume ka na-eme ọgaranya ọkwa dị nne okirikiri ka na-agbụfu ose na anaghị arị ya elu ka nka dike na-ekene gị ebirikpo dike na-asị gị ụmụba Ogidi kwenu kwezuonu. Welcome to another Ebuluje Ebulona festival. Today, we are celebrating the sacred Ogidi, the powerful Ogidi. And it is going to be paraded by a nobleman of this land, Okadike. According to our tradition, if he succeeds, he will be counted among the ruling class of this land. That means that he will emerge the king of this great land someday.
Eze Ogidi, the 16th of Umoba Ogidi.
Go ahead.
I bow in greeting.
Speak on.
With due respect, my king, I was thinking you would advise this nobleman to drop this dream. The sacred Ogidi kills. It has killed your brother. And that made you a direct victim. Okadike is important to this land. If he dies today, he will be the third potential king to have died already. And that is not good for the land.
Ọgaranya jere mmanụ juru ọbabụ ndị na-enye ọkwa dị nne dịgedegede isi ga-ebu ogiri nya ga-ebu ogiri ebu nke na-anaghị ebu ogiri bụ ogiri ihe na-emekwakwa ya egwukwa nke ọha m n'ọnụ mmanwụ egwukwakwa o.
Your Majesty, please, let us not waste the time of the gods and the ancestors that are already gathered here for this occasion. I am prepared for this occasion, and I would not want any royal declaration to kill my dream. If this procession is aborted today, it will mean that the Ebuluje Ebuluna festival has been aborted 3 consecutive times, and that makes our land vulnerable. And as in Ifelue Ito, a man must always rise in all lands, including ours, in time of need to salvage that land. I, Ukadike, Odogunumu Abogidi, wants to be the man. Your Majesty, I want to ask for your permission to proceed.
I believe that every one of us witnessed the thunderstorm. It means that this celebration, this festival, will never be stopped by anyone. Yes. Nobody can stop it. Therefore, Okadike,
Igwe,
Okemong, Odogu no Moba, Ogidi, you have my permission. Proceed now. Proceed. A new dawn in Ogidi. A new dawn in Ogidi. A new dawn in Ogidi.
Adanji, the evil widow of Onungen, had secretly worked her way into the bed of Ogidi the 16th, with the promise that he will allow her become the leader of the women. Her plan is to kill the man, and she has succeeded. The sacred Ogidi cannot stand the evil she deposits in men. For this reason, the sacred Ogidi killed him instantly, and Okadike stands a realistic chance of becoming king.
Even my enemies will give me credit for being a good storyteller. When I decide to tell a story, I tell different aspects to that story. My king, is there any part of this story that you believe I missed?
It is obvious you got me by the balls.
Ibeli mwanyo, kibeli zanyo.